Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to disable the camera shutter sound on iPhones and iOS devices. It's very easy to do, and I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways that you guys can disable this. So one way before we even open the camera application is if you just turn down your sound on the left side of your phone. So if you just hold down the volume down button and put the sound all the way to 0, and if you go ahead and open up the camera and take a photo, you won't have any issues with the sound at all. Another way that you guys can do it is if you just turn on live photos. So if you look at the top of my camera application right now, I have the live photos on. So let's just say if you had yours off, if you just turn it on, it'll actually get rid of the sound as well. And now the last way is just to mute the phone's notifications. So that's just that button on the top left side of your phone. If you just go ahead and just turn the toggle, you'll see that says silent mode on. That will be another way that you guys can disable the camera shutter sound, so you won't have that annoying shuttering sound whenever you're taking photos. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to disable the camera shutter sound on your iPhones or iOS devices. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.